Hello, I'm BonRich. And today I'm going to tell you a truth that can change your life.
A year can make you older, or it can turn you into a greater version of yourself.
The only difference is how you think, learn, and act every day.
I used to be an employee. Back then I made $50,000 a year in a job I didn't love. But in just 1 year, I rebuilt my entire mindset. I realized the rich aren't different from the poor in opportunity, only in perception. They don't wait for luck. They create probability.
They don't work to survive. They work to expand their influence.
Step 1, define your own millionaire skill. It's what you do well, something scalable that creates real value for others.
The rich don't sell labor. They sell solutions, results, and vision.
Don't learn to collect information. Learn to produce results.
Don't try to know everything. Choose to know one thing deeper than all the rest.
Wealth doesn't come from multitasking. It comes from mastery.
Step 2, change the environment around you. Your mindset is the product of the 5 people you're closest to.
If you stay around negative people, you slowly start doubting yourself. If you stay around growth-minded people, you get pulled toward the light of evolution.
Choose an environment that forces you to grow.
Step 3, learn from people who already achieved what you want.
Don't worship them. Dissect how they think, act, and decide.
Successful people leave clues. Unsuccessful people leave excuses.
Don't learn randomly. Learn strategically. The right teacher can save you 5 years of life with 1 sentence.
One deep book can be worth more than hundreds of cheap motivational videos.
Step 4, invest in yourself like you're building your own empire.
Poor people hold money. Rich people hold opportunity. Because they understand money can disappear, but the ability to create money never does.
See every investment in yourself as unlocking a higher floor of life. Every course, every experience, every new relationship is an asset. Don't ask how much money. Ask how much value.
Step 5, turn fear into fuel for action. Everyone feels fear, even millionaires.
But they don't let fear stop them. They use it to move forward.
They understand fear is proof they're leaving the comfort zone.
If you never feel fear, you haven't gone far enough. If you don't feel challenged, you're you're standing still.
Step 6. Learn the art of selling, the core skill of every successful person. Selling isn't just selling a product, it's selling belief.
You must sell your vision, your value, and your difference to the world. And before you sell to others, you must sell yourself to you. If you don't believe you're worthy, nobody else will believe you. The greatest persuasion isn't in your words. It's in the belief you carry. Step 7. Measure every goal with concrete actions. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Define the number behind the word rich.
To become a millionaire, you must understand what a millionaire means per day. If $1 million is the goal, you need $2,740 a day to reach it in a year.
When you quantify a goal, you turn a dream into a real plan.
Step 8. Manage your energy and emotions like a CEO manages a company. You can't create if your mind is always tired. You can't build wealth if your heart is always negative.
Learn to start your day with gratitude. Good emotions are the foundation of sustainable productivity. When you're stable inside, you become strong outside. Step 9. Stay consistent in silence.
Don't tell people your plan. Let results tell the story. The one who talks less and does more always beats the one who talks more and does less. Consistency is the power of discipline and belief. You don't need to be fast. You just need to not stop.
Light me up, when all is lost.
Every day you move a little, you get closer to freedom.
Never give up.
And finally, remember, the millionaire journey is not about money. It's a journey of mindset, responsibility, and inner maturity.
Money is only the reward for the one who stays consistent and creates enough value to deserve it.
I wasn't born different. I just chose not to live by the template society program. I chose to study when others rest. I acted when others hesitated and believed when others doubted.
I chose not to wait for the world to recognize me. I chose to become the one the world must listen to.
And now I'll ask you this. Do you want real freedom or just temporary comfort inside your safe zone? Because those two paths will never cross. If you're ready, start today. Learn, act, fail, adjust, and keep moving.
The world doesn't need another dreamer.
The world needs someone who dares to begin, dares to believe, and dares to stay consistent. And if you've been listening this far,
said I was nothing.
I know that person is you.